Welcome back to Wicked F150. I have another mod video for y'all. This is actually, it came from a buddy of mine. He sent it to me for my birthday. A little early birthday present. It's actually from Amazon. My wife sent him the link so he could go on and get it. But it's actually a gun magnet to hold your firearm. It does not have to be in a vehicle. It can be, you can put it underneath your dresser, a desk, wherever you want to put it. But we're going to go ahead and open it up, look at it, go over placement, anything like that, and show you how strong the magnet is. See if maybe it's something that any of you could want or find useful. So, like I said, this is a gun magnet. It's by Keeper. It did come off Amazon. It is $25 on Amazon, so I don't think it's a bad price. This is supposed to hold 40 pounds, and I don't doubt that it would. Like, I believe that it would be able to hold close to that at least. I do have a SIG SP 2022 40. As you can see, it is empty, clear, no clip. Go ahead and put it forward and put a clip in for realistic weight. It is a full clip. Now, I have tested it with this. I have tested with the other firearms I have, and it has not dropped any of them. Obviously, it is not secured in the drilled into the truck, which is why I can't put it in here. You gotta screw it in with the screws. It has to wait to go on the new one. But just holding it on, it holds fine. I have no doubt that it will hold any firearm that I have and will be carrying with me. I decided to get this because keeping it in my waistband while I'm in the truck is just uncomfortable to me. It doesn't matter if I have it in my back, my hip, my groin. It's always poking me somewhere. It's just uncomfortable. So I wanted an easier way to keep the firearm in the truck readily available. And this just fit the bill perfect, especially for 25 bucks. Like I said, let's take this out. So this is the magnet itself. Those are your 4 screws that you would be putting in through here into whatever material you're putting the magnet on. Magnets here in the back. You can take it apart. The top here, you can take the magnet off. There's all the magnets. Like I said, it's supposed to hold 40 pounds. So, put it on the top. Now, placement. Where are you going to put it? Because you want it readily available. Sitting here like I'm driving. Do I want it up here? Now, this would work, kind of in case somebody's coming. But look, it's hitting my shin. And that just ain't going to work. That ain't going to be comfortable driving down the road, smacking all the time. So, my placement, where we'll be putting it in the new one, will be right here. I believe that's the perfect spot. It's out of the way. I have enough room to get my hand in between the middle console here. So it won't be an issue. And the other 2 that I have are even smaller, so it would work out perfect. Now let's move this over to the side. Now it is just the slide and barrel that is metal. The rest of it is polymer. So if anybody has similar guns, anything like that, to where the whole thing is not metal, as long as the top is, it'll hold. Could place it here. It's definitely out of the way, but you can't get your hand in behind it to go around it. You have to try to wiggle in this little indentation cubby here, and that just does not make for a quick grab in an emergency situation. That just ain't gonna work. So right here, in my opinion, is the best placement for it. Let's go ahead and give this thing a good shake. All kinds of shaking to show you kind of the strength of this, to make sure that it wouldn't come off, because I did a lot of research on a good one, and a lot of them said about it falling off. It did not hold the firearm at all. This one, I have no doubt will hold it. And no, I'm not, if you can see, I have a gap. My fingers are not holding on to the gun at all. Now, you're not going to be bouncing on a road like this, okay? It's still holding, no issues. Anything worse than that, I mean, I guess you're going to be on like the Baja or something like that. But it's definitely going to hold. I can't wait to put it in and get it installed, which of course will be a video when that happens, and show you final placement and all of that, what I had to go through to get it put in. I will put the link in the description below. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you're interested, please, look it up. I'm sure anybody would be happy with it. Hope you all have a great evening, week. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank y'all.